Let's talk about dogs, baby. Let's talk about you and me. Let's talk about all the good things and all the bad things. Let's talk about dogs. Talk about dogs. Good afternoon, class. Welcome to my life. Hello, good day to you, sir. And madame and people, all of you. How are you doing today? Of course you can't answer me, but I'll ask anyway. I like dogs. I say this a lot because, you know, the question really should be, why wouldn't you like dogs? I think people who don't like dogs usually, and I'm not sure of the data, but they usually turn out to be serial killers. Just saying, what's wrong with you? Today we're gonna be talking about why, drum roll, I like dogs. They're better than people. There's that. They're very, very cute. She looks like a womble with this hair. She looks like a womble. Ah, the Danya, the Malavilla, you're so cute. Now I'm attached to my hair. Okay. How did that even happen? She's literally got her arm around my neck. Her arm is round my neck. She's cuddling me like a person. She looks like a naked elf, but it's cute. Toby Choo! When you cry, dogs will come and lick your face. I love them. All that fake crying's got me emotional. Whew. Another reason why I love dogs. They always give you a kiss. I love you. I love you. They give the best cuddles in the world. The best cuddles. So there you have it. If you go out of the house for any length of time, the dogs will greet you like I've been gone for a week. Who doesn't want to feel like a celebrity in their own home? They make me feel so special. Here we go. I think I've gone out the house. I'm gonna move the car so they believe I've gone. They thought I was never coming back. One sudden move can turn into a play battle. One small blow can result in a play battle. One small foot movement can set up a blaze battle. I'm out of breath from all that playtime. It doesn't matter what time of the day it is. Dogs will always join you for a nap. It is currently 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm gonna go and lie down in my bed and see if the dogs join me. Now we wait. You'll never, never glow. You'll never be alone on the toilet ever again. UP, they protect. Dogs are a judgment-free zone. You can tell them everything, anything. They don't give you any judgment for it. I mean, they know all my secrets and they never once judged me for it. I like to not have a bath or shower for a week. I don't shower sometimes for a whole week. I mean, that face is kind of judging me. I hate Sundays, so I hope you enjoyed. Lessons to take away from this are we should all love and appreciate dogs if you don't already. I mean, what you doing? They're the only good thing in life. Subscribe if you like. Okay, goodbye.